Mud Life back again, and we got a revolver. You know, I was thinking, white though. She told me I had a problem. She said I got too many guns. And I was like, you right, and I ain't got no revolver. So I went and got a revolver.
What that is, Tim?
The Taurus Tracker 627. It's chambered in 357, my first ever revolver. And so you know what that means? I can shoot 357 man 38 special through it. It got the 4-inch barrel, a little rubberized grip, 7-shot. And it's raining today. It's raining off and on, so we gotta try to make a real quick video before it starts back storming again. I'm gonna first load it up. I got 3 different, don't worry about it with a gun pointed at. I got 3 different bullets. I got a 357, a 38 special, and then another 38 special that's a hollow point. So we're gonna just try the first 38 special, the full metal jacket.
All right. Damn.
They really ain't do much. You know what? Let's just put a 357 in that one right quick to see what it do.
I wouldn't want to be that water judge, though. Oh, that was an impact. What that was again, Tim?
That was 357 right there. But as y'all saw, that 38 special ain't do too much of nothing. Now y'all saw that they just full metal jacket 38 special and didn't do too much. So I had to put a 357 to put the water jug down. So now we're gonna try this hollow point 38 special. Let's see what it does.
Yes. Yes.
Hollow point, you know,
Hollow point.
made a lot different, as y'all see.
Damn it.
So you know what's up next, don't it? 357 in one. Now I know y'all saw that 357 in the first one, but it already had a hole in it, so all that kinetic energy couldn't transfer. But now we're gonna put a fresh one out. Now we're gonna do, I ain't got no hollow point 357, y'all. I'm sorry. But we got full metal jacket 357.
Awesome.
Well, y'all see, hello. Firearm is safe. It's empty. I ain't got a holster for it yet. Let me turn my electronic. Well, yeah, Taurus 357, Taurus Tracker 627 chambered and 357 Magnum. It's got the ported barrel on the front. Not on the front. The barrel got ports in it on the front. Squishy little rubberized grip thing. Yeah, I know my hands ashy. Got the rear sight is adjustable for windage and elevation. It got the little fiber active little paint. Fiber optic little paint on the front of it. But like I said, my new revolver, my only revolver. Now, like I said, it's raining. It's been pouring. We caught a little spell where it doesn't stop. So we gonna go and wrap this up. Trust me, y'all gonna get a lot more. Hey y'all, I forgot to tell you. This right here from the hollow point 38 special. This was the full metal jacket 38 special. And this was the 357 Magnum. Catch you next time. Like what you see, push the like button, subscribe, then turn on bell notifications, then subscribe to my Out the Mud channel, We're gonna be doing like some vlogging type stuff on there. I just ain't got around to it yet because I ain't really sure how you supposed to. I mean, like, I don't know if y'all just want to see me what I do on a daily basis. I mean, I don't know. So just give me some suggestions or whatever. But go there, check it out. I'm gonna have links to that in the description and all this stuff. And yeah, check the description. I'm put it in case you know. I know people like to send fan mail and stuff like that. If y'all want to, I ain't asking y'all to. If y'all want to, it's gonna be a PO box in the description as well. But I catch you next time.